With Russia using more non-armored and non-military vehicles out on the front line, these are plentiful and can be sent in mass. Being easier to destroy as well, it results in higher losses, something both sides are okay with. With Russia sending more and more of these non-military vehicles in waves, leaving Ukraine breaking their own record by destroying more and more vehicles, while more of them are non-military vehicles, still leaving a lot less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.